Mila doesn't want to crawl, but she wants to get into a sitting position. Let's try that again. Come here. Come here. Come on. No? No? Mila. 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 Mama. 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 Mila. Mama. 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 Mila. Mama. Mama? Are you gonna crawl? Hey. Oh, nap time. I think someone's tired.